In today's video, we will talk about care tips for money plant to grow it faster. Money plant is also called as pothos and it comes in many color textured leaves like green, neon, marbled, color green and white pattern, big sized leaves, etc. It is a very good indoor plant as well as it purifies the air. It's very low maintenance and easy to grow. This plant can be grown from its cuttings, planted in soil or water. I'll make a video on that very soon, that how to grow money plant from its cuttings. Now I will give you a few tips to grow it faster. So first is never grow this plant in plastic bottle. No matter whether you are growing in soil or water, avoid plastic bottles that it contains harmful chemicals or toxins in it which can be harmful for the plant. Second is if you are growing money plant in water, then make sure to change its water 2 to 3 times a week so that the plant can get fresh oxygen and other important minerals from the fresh water. Third is always make sure to cut damaged, dried, or yellow leaves from the plant to enhance healthy growth. Fourth tip will be keep your plant in a place where it gets filtered sunlight or indirect sunlight. You can grow them indoors. Please make sure to keep it somewhere near windows. That would be the ideal place for its growth. Fifth point is occasionally give good shower to your plant so that all the dust will go off the plant and leaves and it will look good and fresh. They can breed well after that. If you are a beginner and looking for some plant recommendations, check out this video. Thanks for watching.